$7 can be totally fine, right? So if you and 10 cents can be fine as well. It depends on your strategy and the expected revenue per click, and this is key. So let's put aside the growth strategy and focus on the performance and strategy for now. So what you want, you have your target ACOS, let's say of 20%. So you're willing to invest 20% of your sales in advertising. And so if you have 20%, and if you are able to identify the expected revenue per click of a keyword, of an auto campaign, whatsoever, then you just can multiply this. So let's say you have an expected revenue per click of $10, then you just multiply it by 20% of your target ACOS, and then you have an $2, it's 20% times data scientist, 20% times $10 is $2 would be your click price. But so this is the click price that you wish for, but actually this is not the bid that you set. This is the click price that you want to reach in the long term. But because Amazon and Google and all the stuff is a second price auction system, you always bid more than you spend in the end. So it could be the case that you need to bid $2.50 to in the end spend $2 for the actual click. Okay. So we say this is the uplift, the difference between max CPC and actual click price. So this is actually the way we do it. For each keyword, for each target, we estimate the revenue per click. So and that's it. And we have the target, and it sounds pretty straightforward. It is, but it gets more and more difficult the more keywords, the more targets you have, because if you have like just 2 clicks on a keyword, it's difficult to estimate, okay, what's the expected revenue per click for this keyword? I have no data. Please tell me. What you always can do is you can work with default values of your account, organic sales data to estimate, to somehow get close to this. But if if the expected revenue per click is not $10 but $20, then you can just double your bid, right? It's insane. You can just increase it by 100%, and this is how important this number is.
Hey, it's Riya Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to SellerApp's main YouTube channel, where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.